Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you teenagers makeup look, which you can create, for college or office. Very simple and subtle, but at the same time, you look very put together. I'll also be using only affordable makeup today. So everything will be under 300 or, at most 500 rupees. And in the end, I'll also be sharing 10 very affordable lipsticks that every teenager must have. And yeah, guys, this video is in collaboration with Amazon. So right now Amazon is having their spring summer sale. So they have up to 80% off on all fashion and beauty products. Again, if you like my content, then definitely take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. And now without further ado, let's get started. And first and foremost, guys, do not skip on your skincare. Skincare is very, very essential. And if you start using skincare, like good amount of skincare in your teenage days, then it will reflect on your late 20s and 30s. You can definitely see a huge difference. Like sometimes I just feel jealous of like today's generation, because back in the day we didn't have all of these options. I didn't even know like what vitamin C serum was or what hyaluronic acid was. Like I didn't know any of that. Okay, so I never used to do any skincare, but I always made sure that I cleanse my face and used a moisturizer. Like that was for sure. And back then, in my college, I think approximately around 7-8 years back, the sunscreen that you used to get left a lot of white cast, and because I have tan skin, it used to look so weird on me, and that's why I used to skip on it. And also I do sweat a lot, so yeah, you could literally see the sunscreen like going off from my face. And I don't know, I just used to feel so embarrassed using the sunscreen because it was so bad. But nowadays, you have so many options. Same goes with makeup. When I was in college, all I did was only use eyeliner and a lipstick. So anyways, guys, and the first product I use today is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and it says for all skin types. So this is like very mild on your skin, and it also does not, leave your skin very dry, since I have dry skin. So that's what I use first. The next product I'll be using is the L'Oreal Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. And hyaluronic acid is something which is very mild to the skin, and it just gives that extra hydration to your skin. And this just like hydrates my skin and gives that plumpness to my skin. And as you all can see, look at that, it already has given such a beautiful glow. Okay, so the next one I'll be using is the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. I like the moisturizing lotion very much. I have been using that constantly all the time, but I've been testing this one out for like 2 or 3 days now. So, it's a very light moisturizer compared to my moisturizing lotion. So I'm just going to take a little bit of a product and just apply onto my skin. And always apply your skincare on your neck as well and your eyelids. As you all can see, it has given such a beautiful glow onto my skin, but at the same time, it's very lightweight. So to complete off my skincare, I'm going to be using this Aqualogica's Hydrate Plus Dewy Sunscreen. You can use any sunscreen again, of your choice, but currently I've been using this and I absolutely love like how lightweight it is on my skin. I'm going to apply this on my face and also on my neck. Apply a generous amount because you want to be protected at all costs. So that's why I took a lot of the product. Again, I'm also going to apply this around my eye area and just give it a minute. It will soak into your skin. And also don't forget to apply on the exposed areas as well. And again, I'm going to just fan my skin out. This is again from Amazon and I love it. It's so cooling and you definitely need this product. And once you're done with your skincare, make sure that you're leaving at least 5 minutes so all the skincare is soaked well into your skin. It's already been 5 minutes. So now let's start off with makeup. First, I'm not going to use primer today because I honestly did not see much difference, like with and without primer. So if you want to skip on primer, you definitely can. That's what I used to do. First product I'll be using is a concealer. So today I have the Swiss Beauty HD Concealer Pen. I have two shades with me, which is 06 Desert Suede and 03 Pure Beige. So I was actually eyeing on these from a very long time. They were like out of stock everywhere, and recently it came back in stock on Amazon, so I immediately ordered it. I'm first going to take the shade Desert Suede, just apply on the areas where I have darkness. I'm also going to be applying this around my mouth area where I have some pigmentation issues. And I'm also going to apply a little bit on the areas where I have like acne marks to cover them up. I'm going to be using my finger to blend it out so it gives a very seamless application. So and then I'm going to take the shade 03 Pure Beige and I'm just going to apply this, you know, to brighten my face a little bit. And again, with the help of my finger, I'm just going to blend this one out. And I'm just going to take a beauty sponge and blend everything out because it gives a very natural finish. And this is how the coverage looks like. So it does not look like I have tried too hard to cover up all of my imperfections. So you can still see some of my marks and pigmentation peeking through, but it just looks so natural and it has given a nice like even finish. So I really like it. And also look at that glow. And next, to make sure that the concealer doesn't crease, I'm going to apply some powder. And today we have this Inside Flawless Finish Setting Powder, and this is the newest one, and this is in the shade LNY15. It's a little bit lighter for my skin, but I don't mind it because it just helps to highlight my skin. And this looks like a high-end compact, and you can't even make out that this is under 300 rupees. Anyways, I'm going to again take it on the same sponge, okay, like that, and I'm only going to use it underneath my eyes so that I don't have any creasing. And also make sure that you're setting on your eyelids. Look at that, it creases a lot on your eyelids, so definitely make sure that you're blending once again and then apply the powder. And that's how my skin looks like. As you all can see, this particular powder has given such a flawless finish, and it doesn't look very powdery. It doesn't make your skin very matte or anything like that. I absolutely love this, and definitely highly recommend you guys to check this one out. Okay, so moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. So this is in the shade number 02 Brownie Brows, and this particular shade is very similar to my eyebrow, and it does not look very harsh or anything. I also like how precise this applicator is. And eyebrow gels are very easy to apply, and again, being a teenager or a beginner, one of the difficult things to do is your eyebrows. You can go overboard with your eyebrows and make it look very harsh, so that's why I think a good eyebrow gel is very essential. So first I'm going to start off from the arch of my brow. I do have some sparse areas right over there, so it also tries to cover up all those sparse areas and makes my brows look a little fuller. And I'm also going to brush it all the way out like that so that the maximum product will be used on your outer areas. Again, now I'm going to go in like this. I'm just going to apply like that and then go inwards, and then I'm going to take it diagonally up like that. It just looks like I have taken my sweet time in doing my brows, but it just took me probably half a minute to do my brows. It's very quick and easy, so I would highly recommend you guys to get a eyebrow gel. Okay, so the next product I'll be using is the lip and cheek tint. Now this one is from the brand called as Cuffs and Lashes. This retails only for rupees 325, and the formula is amazing. You can use this lip and cheek tint on your eyelids, on your cheeks, on your lips. So I would definitely recommend to buy products that are like multi-purpose. And this is in the shade number 05 Colored, and it's such a beautiful nude shade. And again, I'm going to apply this with my finger. And the reason I'm using my fingers today is because this is what I do. Like, especially when I'm in a hurry, I don't have time to, pick up all of my brushes. Whatever is remaining, I'm just going to take it on my lower lash line like that. Just makes you look more young. Also guys, make sure that you're applying most of the product on your eyelids and then taking the excess on your crease, or else it can crease very badly because it's a cream product, right? So definitely do that. Next, I'm going to take the same product and apply this on my cheeks. Again, just use the help of my finger. I'm just going to apply this. I'm not going to use any bronzer today. I'm just going to use a blush because blush just gives so much of life to you. It just makes you look so younger and just gives that fresh look. I really like this formula because it does not take out your foundation or the products that you've used underneath, but at the same time it's so easy to blend. And again, you can use the same on your lips too. Again, taking with my finger, I'm just going to apply on my lips. So next, moving on to my eyes. I know some people don't like to use any eyeliner or kajal, but I am someone who absolutely loves a wing liner. I think wing liner just gives a nice shape to my eyes. I've been doing that since my I think school days. I absolutely love it. Again, if you are someone who likes to apply kajal, you can definitely do that. I'm not a kajal person. I think, applying kajal makes my eyes look a little more smaller, so I don't tend to use kajal. Again, you do you, whatever like enhances your features, do that. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NY Bay liquid eyeliner. This is so good. It's better than the Lakme eyeliner or any other, like affordable eyeliners I've used, and it stays on for a very long time. It does not crease, it does not crumble. It's very, very inexpensive, so that's the reason why I really like it. Okay, I'm going to start off from, the half of my eyelids like that. And look at that, you guys. I'm just going to drag it outside and then fill in. And again, on my inner corners, I'm just going to extend a little bit so it gives that, like that cat eye effect. It just elongates my eye and makes my eye look a little more bigger, so I really like doing this. And next I'm going to use eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Whenever you're not applying any false lashes, this just makes your eyelashes to look more fuller and uplift your lashes, so I really like doing this step. If you don't like to do it or if you're scared, then you can totally skip, but I think it makes a huge difference. Okay, and for mascara today I'll be using the Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I'm just going to coat my lashes really well. Again, I'm going to take it from underneath and also from top, so all of your lashes is coated well. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm just going to apply like this first. And also when I'm applying this, I'm making sure that I'm touching my outer, especially the outer, corners of my eye. So it gives a little more shape. Look at that, you guys. It gives a little more shape, and you don't have to apply any kajal. So that's what I like to do. Okay, and one more trick I have to open up your eyes and make it look a little more bigger and awake is, using a white kajal pencil. This is from PAC. It's their kohl pencil in the shade Skin, and this is the best white pencil I've used. It stays on for a very long time. So yeah, again, I'm just going to apply this on my, just a tiny amount. Instantly made my eyes look so awake and big. I really like doing this, and I feel like this particular lip shade is washing my lips off a little bit, so I'm going to take this Plum Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick, so in the shade Cocoa Mocha, and I'm just going to apply this. And I don't like to use it a lot, so I'll just use a tiny amount and then blend with my finger like that, and I like to tap it like this because it gives a very natural finish. Okay, so that's how the shade Cocoa Mocha looks like from Plum. It's a very pretty, like a chocolatey brown shade. It's so nice, and I think it goes well with all skin tones, especially if you come under dusky skin tones. This is going to look like a nude lipstick on you. I can wear this liquid lipstick with and without makeup. It just looks so stunning, and it's also very comfortable on the lips. And lastly, to fix everything in place and to make sure that the makeup will last for long, I'm going to be using the Mars Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. This has been my current favorite affordable setting spray. It's a dewy finish setting spray. Also, the mist is so fine, it evenly spreads on the face. And now I'm just going to fan it out. I'm telling you, this product is so nice. Like, wow. Okay, and that completes my makeup look. I absolutely love how this makeup look turned out. It's super quick, it's very, very easy to create, and also there are very minimal products that I've used to achieve this look. So I've already shown two lip shades for you. One is the Plum and the other one is the Cuffs and Lashes Lip Tint. And now I'm going to be sharing with you my most affordable and nude lipsticks. So let's get started. The third shade I have for you is from the brand called as RENEE. It's the Stay With Me liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Desired for Brown. Even though it says brown, this is a perfect mauvey shade. So this particular shade looks so good with and without makeup, and it's also very, very comfortable. It does not leave a lot of lines on my lips, and I think it's under 500 rupees. So yeah, definitely check this one out. So yeah guys, the next lipstick I have is from the brand called as 7 Seas. This is an ultra matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade number 220. It's a very pretty nude orange shade. So usually I don't prefer orange shades because they just wash me out and make me look weird, but I think on tan skin tones this is going to look absolutely stunning, and I absolutely love this very much. Okay, Okay guys, so the next one I have is actually a lip liner from Wet n Wild. This is the shade called as Chestnut, and honestly this is the best lip liner that I would highly recommend. And having a good brown lip liner is very essential, especially if you come under tan and dusky skin tones, because not all nudes look flattering on us, and sometimes just using a lip liner will emphasize the nude shade and it just looks so stunning. Again, next we have this one from Mars. It's their non-transfer butter stick, and this is in the shade number 22 Everyday Nude. Again, this is a very pretty warm nude shade and it doesn't look that flattering on my skin tone just by itself, so I definitely have to use a lip liner. This particular lipstick is so comfortable on the lips. At the same time, it does not transfer. You just have to allow it to settle down for about like a minute, and once it settles down, it does not move, it does not budge, and stays on for a very long time. And also it's very inexpensive. Okay, next I'm going to show another lip shade which goes well with this particular lip liner. So I'm just going to take off the lipstick. So next one we have is the Cuffs and Lashes lip lacquer in the shade Viral. So this is like a demi matte gloss. It's a really pretty, like a peachy nude shade. The shade is stunning, but it's a little bit nude for me, and this particular lip liner goes well with every nude shade, so I think it's a must-have. Okay, the next shade I have is the Maybelline Sensational liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Nude Nuance, and this is a very pretty, like a peachy brown nude. I absolutely love it, and every single time I use this shade, so many of you ask me like what is on your lips, and I get a lot of compliments on my makeup, so absolutely love it. And the formula is great. It's very comfortable on the lips, and it also lasts for a very long time. It's a universally flattering lip shade. I absolutely love it, and definitely check this one out. Okay guys, so the next one we have is from Mini. So this is the Velvet Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Sandstone, and this is the perfect terracotta earthy brown color. It's a very pretty shade and I absolutely love it so much. Okay guys, so the next one we have is the Inside 24 Hours Transfer Proof Lipstick in the shade Moody. It's a very pretty mauvey nude shade, but it definitely washes me off, and I am using again the same Wet n Wild Chestnut lip liner along with it, and look at that, it just looks so pretty. Okay guys, so the next one we have is from Eyetex Dazzler, and this is their liquid lip color in the shade it says DLC 003. Again, I'm going to mention all the shade names in the description box, so you guys can check that out. Again, this is a very pretty, like a peachy orangey nude shade. Again, I love the formula of this one because it's so comfortable on the lips, and it has a powder matte finish, and that's for my next recommendation. Okay guys, so the next one I have is from Inside Cosmetics. Is their matte lip ink, and it's in the shade number 10 Top Notch, and this is the perfect peachy nude shade. I think this looks really pretty on like fair to tan skin tones, and yeah, that's for my next recommendation. The next shade I have is from Mamaearth. This is a matte lip serum in the shade number 08 Chocolate Truffle, and it's a very pretty orangey brown, like a earthy toned color, and I think it just looks stunning, especially for the summer season, and also it's very comfortable on the lips too. The next shade we have is from Swiss Beauty, and this is in the shade number 22 Brandy Harrington. It's a very pretty, like a mauvey brown color. This is a very comfortable matte lipstick formula, and I think on every single day, with or without makeup, this just looks absolutely stunning. Okay, the next one I have is the Mars Matinee lipstick, and it's in the shade number 07 Nude Flirt. So this is a very pretty cool tone brown nude. I absolutely love this shade very much. So this is a long lasting lipstick, and it's very comfortable on the lips. It also is transfer proof, and I just love such pretty cool tone brown nudes. I think it just makes you look so edgy, and gives off that modern vibe, so really love this one. Okay, so that completes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope this was very helpful video. Again, do not forget to check out Amazon for this spring summer sale. They have up to 80% off on all the products that I showed today. As usual, I'm gonna provide all the links in my description box, and yeah guys, I'm gonna catch you all next time with another interesting one. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye guys.